这边应该也是可以的。问一下看看，有这个吗？
Okay guys, welcome to Lipe. Check out the alien manatee shrimp. They look like aliens. You see them in the water, they just squirm around like this all over the place. Really cool. I've eaten these before. They weren't very good. They were really old. These are deep fried. I'm gonna say it needs a dipping sauce. You need some spice. Look at that. Well, that's really good. 1,000 times better than the last time I had these. A little bit greasy. Not bad. When they're fried fish, it's like a pepper sauce. Like a black pepper sauce. A little bit spicy. Raw onion. Oh, slightly cooked. I don't know what kind of fish this is. It was a big one. Oh, that's beautiful. That is beautiful. Black pepper fish. That's different. That's really good. And this one is tom yum, Thai specialty with seafood. It's a really small little pot, but this thing's got fire underneath it, so it stays hot. Really hot. The restaurant here, beautiful place, but it's empty. Got them to turn the music off, and now I got an audience behind the scenes. Oh, that's lovely. I'm always nervous when I go to a place that has no customers. Why do they have no customers? But it's a beautiful place, and the food's delicious. All the 3 dishes are delicious. Oh, that is crazy good. Crazy good. I don't see any squid. Oh, here we go. Not much squid. Got a tentacle. One little tentacle. Good. Can't be it, is it? A lot of shrimp though. There we go. It's in there. This is from the head. Oh, that's so good. With the rice. Spicy, but it's supposed to be spicy. Good. Look at that. is amazing. That's the best out of the three. And they're all good. Okay guys, that is it. What a feed, what a feed. 1,220 baht for all of that food. All of that fresh seafood. That's about $30, $35 US. Looks pretty good too, huh? For the 3 dishes I had, the tom yum was the best by far. The best I've had in a long time. Really, really good. But it was all delicious. Absolutely delicious. And that's all you want. I was a little skeptical with no customers, but it was a good choice. Alright guys, as always, thanks for watching. I do appreciate it.